will draw and play. Let's draw a cute kitty cat. First, draw the head. That's it. Now, draw a little button nose and a little mouth so the kitty can meow. Black. Very good. Now, draw little triangles for ears. Amazing! Put a bright ribbon on your kitty cat. Your cat looks so beautiful. And now, draw the cat's body. Gorgeous! Next, draw 4 paws. Green. Blue. Wow, that's a wonderful drawing. Now finish the drawing with a fluffy tail for your kitty. Whoa, you've drawn an incredible kitty cat. Watch your kitty cat play with a ball of yarn. Let's draw a baby doll. First, draw a head with little ears. Next, draw a funny little curl of hair. Wow! Now, draw a mouth for the baby doll so it can smile. What a happy baby you've drawn! Now, draw a body for the baby doll. Good! Draw a bib and put a heart on it. Violet. Excellent! Now let's draw arms for the baby doll. First, the right. And now the left. You draw so well. Now draw legs for the baby. First, the right. And then the left. Brown. What a lovely baby doll you've drawn. Look at that lively little baby.